Hello everyone. In this video lesson today in C++, we're going to learn about something called pointers, how to initialize them, and retrieve values from the address memory. To do that, we're going to create a new project, console application, click go, C++, click next, and I'm going to call this project pointer1, pointer-1. Click next, click finish. Double click on sources, double click on main, and in main I'm going to remove these two lines and declare two integers, and we're going to work with these two integers, int a comma b semicolon, int pointer can code semicolon, can code equals and a semicolon, pointer can code equals 1 semicolon, and then we're gonna declare can code equals and b semicolon, pointer can code equals to semicolon, and then we're going to output cout the value of a is equal a end of line semicolon cout the value of b is equal b end of line semicolon, and then cin dot get semicolon. And before running this, I'm going to give you a brief explanation. First, can code is assigned the address of a using the address operator AND. Then the value is pointed to by can code is assigned a value of 1. The pointer is pointing to the memory location of a. This is in fact the value of a, and the same thing applies for b. And I'm gonna delete this part, and I'm gonna click build and run, and we're gonna see the value of a displaying as 1 and the value of b displaying as 2, although we didn't assign a and b directly. So to do that, we're gonna build and run and look at this beauty. Here we go. The value of a is 1, the value of b is 2.